Yeah, I already figured, I guess.
Oh shit. They were too close to us when we went to bed.
Yeah, they said they could destroy our structures, buddy.
Yeah. They destroy the small
I killed one.
ones.
I killed one.
They destroy the small ones, not the house.
Oh, I'm down, guys. They downed me. I'm down behind the kid.
Coming.
Running over. Ah, you cunt.
Oh, she gonna kill me again. Oh, she downed me again.
Oh! I killed Jacob! Oh my fucking god.
Half size. Cunt, dude. Oh, what? Down.
We're both down. We're done. We're done.
Sugar pet it.
Oh, dude, they're gonna take us.
Hold it. Hold it.
Did you hold E?
Yeah. Man.
Hello?
Oh, God, there's so many of them.
Oh my god.
There, no, oh my God, dude. Oh, we're all down.
Dude, they're listening to music, guys. You
Oh,
hear
that's
that?
me. I started up the radio on accident. That's my bad.
I'm off. I'm off.
You gotta grab your bag. Grab your bag. I'm gonna spear guy you. You're dead. Oh, never mind. No. Grab your bag. Oh, just run. Just run. Escape.
I'll turn off the fucking music. So
They're scared of water. They're scared of water.
Yeah, I know. But they got spear stuff.
Oh, they killed me.
Oh, God.
fucking radio's on, damn it.
That's my bad. I turned up the radio.
Are you guys still alive?
Whenever I fucking spawn in, all the radios are blaring.
What do? They just keep looking at us?
Yeah. Just wait till daytime.
Hold on, Jacob. No, wait till daytime.
Run.
I'm
Run.
trying to just turn this shit off.
Run, Jacob! Save your life! Go to the Hermania! Where they all...
He's trying to turn up the radio. Oh my God, no, in front of you, Tyler.
Oh no. Run, Jacob! Find the light!
I turned off the one radio, there's fucking one left.
Yeah, that's me. I did that on accident. When I fixed
Yeah, accident. My fucking
You turned on the radio before you died?
No, I ran over and grabbed all three of them. I thought there's a bunch of loot everywhere.
Wait, what is the radio playing on? Where'd you guys find it?
There's just a random radio over there.
Thank
Oh.
God, dude.
You can pick it up.
They already had it?
Yeah. There's a bunch of loot. Look around. There's like an entire loot stat.
And there's still fucking one playing.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut myself down and start fighting. Just fight him. Just pick yourself down and fight him.
Alright, bro, let's just all fight. Let's all do it.
Yeah, it's not the best bet at this point.
Turn the
Dude,
music
there
back
is a
on.
boss.
I'm dead. Here, one tap. One tap. Knife.
Oh, dude. Dude.
You know what? This guy all
I
dies
think-
this time. You have to wait. Wait till like daytime when they stop. But I'd rather fight them so we can get all their shit. They'll die.
We can't. I think they're the higher up ones.
No, we can kill them. We can kill them all.
Cause look, they're tattooed up and shit.
No, that's the truck. That's the truck. That's why.
Come get some!
The glow in the dark ones are the scary ones.
Come get some!
That's a gold map. You can see it. I'm not to the gold map. The gold map is what you want to kill first.
Fake.
And the map. Gold map is
The leader does?
Yeah.
If I've killed the leader, they all run off.
Yeah. But like he's the
Bro,
hard
he's like, he's looking right at me. They look like regular humans.
The spear one's left behind.
They look like regular humans with
Yeah,
paint
it's
on.
like Talon's one. The gold mask one in front of me. He's one in front of me. He's a short one.
Is there other tribes that look different on here?
Yeah, they go on the Zoid tribe.
They look. What is there a tribe that looks scary in these people?
The glowing Zoid ones.
They're scary.
Yeah, their entire body, they have a glowing skeleton painted on them. And all you see is a red skeleton changing. You can't see anything else other than a red skeleton.
So a removed skeleton just looking at you.
Yep, and just chase. And they're really fast. They don't give up.
Bro, they're surrounding Nathan. I wonder if they can hear us on the mic.
I'm trying not to fight it.
Hey, over here! Oh, hey! Looks like hear us on the mic. Oh! Oh!
Let's just keep on
Ass
fighting.
light.
They'll start dying after so long if we keep on fighting. Oh wait, there's one dying right now. We just raise their body in the morning after they're all dead. Leave us alone. As long as not all three of us die, I
There's so many of them, dude, there's no way.
like kidnap.
No way!
I'm just gonna keep on trying to kill them. Dude, it's just because we died so early. It's just how the game rocks. We died too early in the game.
Holy shit, cut a bunch of them.
I got one! I killed one! I got just a spear, let me grab it. No, I died. I killed the leader almost, and the leader got down. Dude,
I'm about to kill the leader right
keep on
now.
going at him, keep on going at him. Keep on
Fuck the
going.
tribal leader.
Try stabbing them all.
Watch this, boys. Watch this, boys. I'm about to be the tribal leader of them all. I'm about to kill their leader. Move, Biggie.
Spawning in again to kill us by killing more.
Oh
My god, you're falling, aren't Oh dude, that one's not dead. They're on the ground, go after them. They're on the ground. The ones on the ground, like, insta-kill.
You killed the leader?
Probably. I killed only one. They're on the ground, go after them. They fall on the ground and start stabbing.
Alright, guys. Let's do this together.
We've been fighting. Oh, what? You turned into a full 360 gun.
Holy shit, dude. One hit.
I killed like 2 of them.
Yeah, man. GTA song. We're playing GTA song in the forest.
Oh man, dude, there's so many spears. It's gonna be awesome to get out of this. It's like grabbing all the spears. I actually have so many fucking spears that I can't.
Spicy and
Dude, one fucking hit, I'm dead.
Oh, I got a grenade! Dude, I got a grenade! I have a grenade now!
Dude, come revive me if you guys can.
Y'all can't, all three of us can't die at the same time. I'm coming to get you, Tyler. If I can cut myself down fast, you know? Okay, yeah. Come on, you know?
Guys, as soon as you get down, just run.
Did you run, Jacob?
I'm just trying to bait him. I'm taking everything I can out of him.
Dude, I can't get fucking away from him. Hello?
Hi. We just gotta wait till morning. They like leave us alone at a certain time. I think.
Do?
Maybe. I'm telling myself that now.
Right, now we're fucking stuck. Just surrounded by my stuff. Dude! What the fuck am I gonna... Alright, it's daytime, we're gonna see what they're gonna do.
They'll leave us alone and grab your shit and run, I guess.
Look like there's less of them.
Oh no, I would say run around and grab everything you can too. Before you, like, try
As
to...
soon as I get off, watch. As soon as I get off, they kill you, dude. It's an instant kill.
No man, you have time to run. Just hold down shift and run.
You gotta take your shit.
No, just run around. In a circle, get him away from your shit. And come back and grab your shit.
Lieutenant, where you guys at?
I'm getting my shit.
They're not surrounding you. Now run around. There you go. There's a bunch of spears too if you want to try grabbing them. That's what I was doing. Just grab everything you can off the ground.
Dude, there's just too many. There's too many.
I see so many spears. Now that they're away from my shit.
Oh, Connor, my freaking phone died. I didn't get to read your text.
Get in the water.
I about killed their boss, Nathan.
They're scared of the water, by the way.
Their leader came after me and I almost killed him. Still there?
I got the boss. Sticking your ass with it. I killed their boss. Now, I have their boss on my shoulder. Run around and grab
Let's
shit.
go.
Oh, shit.
Let's go, dude. Let's just go, dude.
Let's go this way to get back to base. Where's Jacob? Where's he going?
One's chasing us, go.
I can't run. Our base is all the way up here. We have to fucking go all the way up the mountain. Oh, my deleter on my back, and I'm gonna take his head and use it.
Yeah,
If
you
we might get away. I think they're chasing us still.
Get in the water. I'm scared of water.
They even don't like the streams.
Last time I checked, they don't like the stream. They hate water altogether. They won't go near water. They won't step on it.
Dude, there was a bunch of money and stuff laying around.
I know, I grabbed
couldn't take it.
I
Oh, you
ran
grabbed
around
all
and
of it?
yeah, I grabbed the shit ton of it. I have like 4 spears on me.
Same pace, drop a spear for me.
Wait, like, we have to get back to base. There's a bunch of berries right
Oh,
there.
I'm collecting berries. Yeah, I'm collecting.
I'm going back up to base as fast as I can.
Jeff, did you die again? No, I found a freaking golf cart and I was able to drive it. What? Yeah. Are you driving it right now? No, I crashed it, dude. I was trying to go back. I was trying to go back and pick you guys up. Is it broke? Is it broke? Oh yeah, I found a cave. I just found a cave with a bunch of. Whoa. Is the golf cart broke? Oh, dude, I found a slingshot. I just found a slingshot. Hold up, guys. Come over to my marker over here. Oh, well, stay there, Jacob. Stay in. Wait, is the golf cart broke? What? Yeah, it's like 10th on its side. I can't flip it over. Oh. I'm gonna come over to you without dying by one of these fucking, Aussie here at the far away from me. What the hell? They're burnt. Alright, come over here. Send this guy's hand right here. This guy's hand. See it? What?
I wonder if we can slingshot with it, rocks.
Oh no, you see it, Nathan?
Yeah. Hey, look at this, you fetish. I got the leader.
What? What?
Killed the leader.
You're covered in shit.
Now look at his face. His face is golden. That's how you know he's the leader.
Well, come over here, guys.
Wait, let me cut off his head. You can use the head.
Oh! Thomas, headed.
I gotta eat something.
Oh, we're gonna die in here for sure.
We might not.
VR. This is like one of the hardest games in the game.
Your voice is actually echoing.
This is like one of the hardest ones. Now we need the zip line. We can't do anything about the zip line.
Oh, you can't use it?
Yeah, you have the zip line.
can go in the ocean and scuba dive?
Yeah.
Dude.
It's needed for one of the caves.
Alright, guys.
It's good idea.
Wait a minute. Open the map.
More shit.
Open the map. Hey, open the map. There's a paraglider somewhere on the map.
All we gotta do is find Kevin on the map.
Hey, no, he's far away from the base right now. Hey,
Kevin is?
oh no, he keeps us out of here.
Kevin's far away from the base?
Yeah, he follows us.
No, he's not. He's right on top of the base.
Is that the base?
So don't hop in it yet. Don't hop in it yet. We got straight.
Is he at the base?
Yeah.
Is he at the base?
Yeah, he's at the base. Oh, wait. I needed it. Oh, I love it now.
Holy shit.
It's solar powered.
I know. Let's go to one.
Never runs out of gas.
No, I got the. It can't.
It can't run out of gas?
Only time it does is at nighttime. You can't drive it at nighttime.
No, I was just driving it.
No, it like runs out of battery really fast at nighttime though. It doesn't run out of battery in daytime. There's like 9
Ours
of
is
them.
at daytime, man.
There's like 9 of them on the map.
Can the things shoot you while you're driving them?
No.
Yeah.
You can run them over.
They were chasing me while I was in it, Nathan.
That's fine,
You
dude.
Run them over. They
You sit
can't.
on-
They can't knock you out. Oh shit.
They can't kill you off it.
No. You can run over Kevin too.
Can Kevin die permanently?
Yes. Yes, you can.
Always.
God damn. I'm trying to get to the road.
Can the things capture Kevin?
Nope. He just dies. He heals over, and then you can like turn his body into bones. Because we killed him once.
Has he ever died? Oh, you and your friends?
Yeah, but then we had to restart after we did it.
Oh my god!
Yeah, one of them some bitches over.
He hit him?
Yeah, you ran him over. Dude, there's raccoons. I see raccoons, Tyler. They look like cootie.
Oh, they stand up.
Really?
They stand up
Yeah,
on their hind legs and snip with their hands.
Yeah. They do all of that. And they climb up, what is it? They climb up trees.
Dude, this
Why
game's
would
for
they
realistic.
They just run up the tree, basically. I want to try finding the shovel. We need the shovel. That's like the way to find all the guns.
Yeah, because you gotta, don't you have to like dig up the guns?
Dig up the bodies. Oh shit, that's like a fast stop. Trying to follow the road. This thing can haul ass, I know that. Yeah, I'm trying. So there's these little exclamation marks on your map. Oh.
Oh, I see the purple one.
Yeah. How do I get out again?
Oh, he like bunny hopped it.
Yeah, you can push them. God damn it, I went off the path.
Oh, there's actually a pass for the cart.
Yeah, it is a path. I was following it. And then I was like, ah!
The cool if there's a path. It'd be cool if there's one going right up to your
There's something better in the
place.
golf cart, by the way. There's, how do I get out again?
Oh, I'm
Gee.
tired, it says.
Push G
You
to
can
get out, Nathaniel.
you can get tired.
You can't run as much. Oh, there goes 6 minutes. Oh.
How do you make it when you're not tired? You gotta sleep, I guess.
You have an energy drink or sleep.
drink.
We have to find them. We have to go down to the beach. The beach is where all the good shit is.
Or the camps.
What's that eye up there? What's that? Exclamation point.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to get to.
Oh, dude, my GPS is beeping like crazy.
Hold on, wait.
Oh shit, we left Tyler.
Tyler, come up here.
Hello? Walk up here, Tyler. Just walk up here.
Oh, I know, Sophia. Here's the flashlight. Get on, tie him. Yeah. Quah. Balls. Oh. You gotta get all the way fucking down there. Oh. Are we going back in the golf cart? I got an idea. Back in the golf cart. I got an idea. Chicken Pettit. Okay. Get back in there.
I'm already down there.
Bam! Perfect.
Seven. Oof. I didn't need no damn call. I just got down here like a savage.
Wait, just go down to the beach. That's where all the good shit is. The beach.
Oh, you find a flashlight? You get a flashlight.
Yeah. They go dead, but there's a way to recharge.
You gotta get batteries. You gotta find batteries.
There's also a golf club weapon in this game. Oh, the
I
helicopter.
need a helicopter.
Oh, down there, down there, down there, down there.
Somebody try to kill you?
Red smoke. He's alive, he's alive. There's a living guy down here.
Was the helicopter taking him?
He just died. Never mind, he did. He just died. Oh, energy drink.
Hey, where's the helicopter going?
You have to have a flare gun. We don't got that yet. Duct
Oh, in
tape.
order to get him.
Come down.
Yeah.
Gosh, Nathan.
Can you fly the helicopter?
What'd you say, CJ? I mean, oh god. Jig Pettit.
Listen, why you always turn those on?
Can you fly the helicopter?
No. Oh my god, the
Horse sure got a bigger axe.
We all share the. Oh, we all share the same loot. Come here, come here. Wait, can I open your backpack? No, I can only give you stuff. Fuck. He
Oh,
must-
look, the modern axe. He has the modern axe.
yeah,
Right here in this guy's lap.
yeah, we already got it.
Oh.
You're a
I got a
little-
radio.
Oh god, you're a little late.
Wait, do we all get the same loot?
Yeah.
Yeah, we all get the same thing. Oh, no, I finally make a bow and arrow. Okay, I got a bow and arrow now. I think this thing does more damage, but as it slower swing, yeah, it does. Oh man, we can make an electric fence now. Where's your Pettit? We can make an electrical fence now,
Right
Chicken
here.
Pettit.
Oh, dude, I just got the solar panel.
Yeah, I got.
How'd you get the solar panel?
It's right over there. It's just sitting there.
Oh shit.
If we go up the mountains, we can find make Molotov cocktail wine, by the way. Molotov cocktail. You can't pick up. Oh my god, another explosive.
Hey, there's flares over here.
Where? I'll take one.
Wait, can you fly the helicopter if you get it?
No.
What does it do?
That's how you beat the game.
Oh, it rescues you. Oh.
Or I think there's multiple ways to beat this. There's multiple ways.
Ain't there a helicopter hidden in the woods somewhere you can find?
I don't know. I don't know all the ways to beat the game.
I seen images. I seen images of it. Me and Jacob did.
I had never heard of that. I have so many Molotov
There's like weeds.
cocktails.
There's like weeds growing around it.
bitches over here just got Molotov cocktails.
I'm a pyrotechnic now. I'm now a pyrotechnic.
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
I got like 20 Molotovs.
Alright guys, where are we heading to now?
Oh, I gotta craft these Molotovs.
Okay, you go pie on top of one of the mountains. There's a paraglider on top of the mountain.
When that kid joined us earlier, he said it was close to where our base is at.
Wait, what was?
I know, it's all the way up top of the mountain.
What was?
The paraglider. There's a paraglider. There's multiple.
Oh, you can keep it?
Wait, what kid joined you? Yeah, we can keep
Our
you.
random joined us when we first started playing.
Oh, there's some kind of black monkey thing. I've seen him in the weeds over there watching us.
He shouldn't be a problem. They rarely attack. They will though.
He's watching us.
They will attack.
He's on that rock. Look, he's on that rock. He's on that rock watching us.
Just don't go towards him. They'll be fine.
Oh, he's throwing rocks at Jacob.
It's fine.
Now he's sneaking up on him.
Where is he?
Keep,
Right
just
behind you.
Turn around and look at him. He'll stop. I don't see him.
I didn't see him.
Where?
Right behind them tent. He's right behind. He's right here. There he was.
He ran off. He's back there now.
He's black.
Yeah, dude, he's almost invisible.
I got an energy drink now. Yeah. Exercise. Yeah, we should go find the glider though. We can get like anywhere in the map with the glider.
Where are we heading, guys? Where are we heading?
The glider. The glider.
Alright, let's pull up the map.
We can carry the glider around on us, and then there's the portable car. There's a portable thing.
Yeah.
I didn't hit no one, did I?
No.
Good. Good. I didn't mean to do that.
Alright,
Try
go
to
this way,
figure
this
out
way,
how
this
I
way,
marked
this
it.
way, this way, this way. The orange thing, the orange thing.
The orange thing?
Yeah, the orange thing, good. Berries.
That way.
There's blueberries.
Yeah, I'm sure I picked.
I picked them. I picked 2.
I usually just spam me. It gives me everything I need. Yeah, we need to get out the flare gun.
Dude looks like Isaac Einstein on their screen.
Wait, what is?
Nathan's dude, he looks like Isaac Einstein.
I think it is my dude.
I think it disappeared, Tyler. Nathan.
No, it didn't. It's on my map.
Oh, I guess it changed your dudes. I was the old guy before, wasn't I?
Yeah. Oh, Tyler, Nathan, I don't know how we get on again. Wait, no, go down more.
Does the paraglider got fans on it?
No.
Oh, you just glide with it.
It's definitely a no paraglider, though.
What's that?
GPS locator.
Oh, those can be helpful. We can put that on our base so we actually know where our base is. Oh, it's the cave.
See what this one's like, guys.
This one's
And
cool.
this one, see what this.
Yeah, you guys go first. I hate caves. Oh, whoa, it's not really a cave. Oh.
This one's full of meaty goods. Skin pouch collected. Ooh, what does that
Where?
do?
Oh, dude, those that you get loot from. Oh, nice goods. Ah, motherfucker.
Uh-oh.
Where is he?
Somewhere else.
Definitely in
Hey,
Oh wait, let's not all, you know what? Not all of us attack at once, dude. That's how we kill each other.
Yeah, we end up hitting each other. How about this one? If one gets down, we go and get the other.
We just gotta do it like 1, 2, 3 style. Like one was hit, back up, hit, back up, hit, back up.
Are we going up or down first?
I'll use heavy axe. Up.
What's down here?
We're going up first.
Oh We're just back
Oh,
outside.
we need the.
Let's go down. There's down. There's one that goes downwards.
Go down.
How do I get out my lighter instead of the flashlight?
Right here,
You
goes
gotta-
down.
You gotta go into your inventory and adjust it. I'm still using the flashlight though.
Flashlight is battery. That's why you have to use batteries on.
Blueprint.
Oh, it's a new blueprint on a trap.
Kinda cool.
This game's pretty cool. Oh, that's the only as far as it goes.
Yeah. And the other one we need a scuba suit for. Well, who was the guy yelling then?
That's what I'm saying. That's Herbborn. Unless he followed us in here.
He's up here.
Always up there. They were in here though, because that's where they're eating all them fish.
More Molotov cocktail shit. Let's go. You know, I have an idea. I can use a Molotov.
Wait, which way did Jip go?
Wait.
He went upwards. Alright, you get in here. Alright, up here.
Did he go up here?
Yeah, I did.
Guys, I say we should head for that purple exclamation point that's out there in the ocean.
Oh, that's the gun.
No, well, that's the scuba gear.
Oh, there's a gun next
Oh,
to it.
yeah.
Pistol's right next to it.
Out in the ocean?
Yep, we have to swim out in the ocean and get chased by a shark.
Oh, I heard someone there who just threw it at me.
There's
We better get moving. Yeah, better get
Grab it.
moving.
If anything ever gets thrown at you, grab it. Grab whatever's
Oh,
thrown
man.
at you.
I wish we
Oh, what are those?
A burial spot. These are very important. We need the shovel.
Well, what do you gotta do?
Shovel.
All you gotta dig them up.
We have to find the shovel.
It's probably nearby though, ain't
Go
it?
to the ocean spot, man. That's where the scuba gear is, though. It's in the ocean spot, and the gun is out in the ocean, along with a lot of food. Now, one of us might need to be sacrificed. Maybe.
For what?
Shark.
Oh,
That's why I said maybe. We just gotta swim along a line, and whoever kills
is there a
first.
boat? Or we could build a raft, but it's a lot of
Yeah,
work.
we just build a raft. No, I'd rather build the raft. We have to make life.
There's a lot, dude. That's a probably hard to build though.
No, it's just a lot of wood, logs. That's all.
Man, if only we had Kevin.
Those
Are we
bad-
far away from camp?
Those are bad berries.
Are we far away from camp?
Yeah.
All of our bad berries?
Yeah, I just said that.
I just ate one, huh? They kill your guy?
No, we just don't make sure we have to get full health. Those are bad berries.
Oh, I see the yellow.
Collecting them.
I want to collect them. Oh, no, you can make poison. Never mind. You can make a poison arrow.
There's juices for everything.
You can make a poison arrow, I'm pretty sure. Something like that.
Yeah, you can.
You can make shock
Or
arrows.
salmon berry seeds.
What are you doing? Oh, you got berries.
Snowberries.
Yeah, snowberries make you more dehydrated. That's at least an art of survival. There's a monkey guy over here.
There's another one. Yeah, I see them. There's a few of them, I think. Yeah, let's go across the water.
No, these guys aren't scared of water. The monkeys aren't scared of water. Try
They're
them.
calling other ones.
Water.
They're calling other
The
ones.
monkeys, I just watched a monkey run across water. He's not scared of water. The
I think they're calling other ones because I heard them yell.
Yeah, they are. The tribe guys are scared.
Oh yeah, they're coming, I think.